Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you my brand new FabFitFun box for the season, full of nice products. Here is the box. Guys, if you're new to my channel, I do beauty, fashion, luxury, occasionally lifestyle, food, and travel videos. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in once again, continuing to stay subscribed. And if you are new, hopefully you will subscribe so you can see what this channel has to offer you. And yeah, let's get right into it. So here is the box full of beauty products this time around, as well as a couple of other things. I'm gonna hold it up without toppling everything over like it just did. Let me get right into showing you what's in here. Right before I do that, let me tell you what FabFitFun is in case you missed my last video. In case you missed my last video, I'll link it up here of my last box just so you can, the new stuff that I got that was different from the last time. So basically FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box with fashion, lifestyle, and beauty products, full of full-size products. It is available in the United States, Canada, and United Kingdom. And best of all, you can customize what you want in your box. It's not like it's gonna come with random things that you do not want. You can pick whatever you want to go in your FabFitFun box. It is only $39.99. However, everything in the box is valued at over $200. So basically, one item could be worth your box price, which is great. So you're getting a lot for your money. Also, this box is a recycled craft box. So the company itself is all about sustainability and reducing waste, which is great. So this box is 100% recyclable. Also, they support female entrepreneurs and they are dedicated to supporting and giving back to charity. So much that they have raised hundreds of thousands of dollars for their charity partners. I think that is awesome to have a company that is philanthropic, that has a philanthropy spirit, that has a giving spirit. I cannot say that word for the life of me. Let's dive into the box. I'm sure y'all want to see what's in here. So I have had a chance to test all of these, so I'll be able to tell you exactly how they work, what they do, what they smell like, etc. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this Mason Home Scent Collection. It's a diffuser. It's a solstice diffuser. So as far as pricing goes, it would be easier to share it on screen so you can visually see it as we go, just so you can see the value of these products and the amazing value that you're getting when you only spend 39 bucks. So I'll be honest, I also chose this last month. And the reason I got two, number one, I love it a lot. And it has, I cannot pronounce these. I might be butchering them. Just in case I am, I'm going to put them on the screen. Bergamot vetiver, oh my God. Geranium patchouli, I do know that one. I loved it so much that I decided to get a second one. I love the way it smells. I've already opened it. I wanted one for my closets and I also wanted one for my makeup room. This one is going to my makeup room. I've already, oh my gosh. It just smells amazing. Like, it gives your room such a pleasant scent. Oh my gosh. And it's not overpowering. It like diffuses it slowly. It smells great and it looks great with my furniture in my makeup room. So I was very excited to get another one of those. Great diffuser. Also great value. That is the diffuser. There's also this gravity weighted sleep mask. I've already used it. And it's just your standard eye mask. I love, let me show you up close what it looks like. You can see it's weighted. Now it's not like exercising your eyes. It's more like relaxing your eyes and soothing your eyes. And it honestly helps you sleep better. It has weighted beads for up to 1 pound of evenly distributed pressure. What I love about this, you don't have to mess your hair up to put it on because there's this Velcro opening and closure. Boom. You just put it on. Hopefully I don't get makeup on this. I have not tried it while wearing makeup. But let's see here. Oh gosh, this is so awkward. Yeah. And as you can see, it fits securely around my face. I'm just afraid I'm gonna have makeup everywhere. Hold on. What? Only foundation. I'm wearing some good eyeshadow. Anyway, guys, another great product in the box. No smell or anything like that. It feels so soft. Has a velvety texture. So even better for your face, especially your eyes, which is one of the most delicate parts of your body. You want something delicate around your eyes if you're gonna have anything on at all. Next I have some Baddington lashes. Y'all know I love my lashes. And these are the Monroe 3D Silk Lashes. They come in a box like this, and they also come with glue. I'm going to quickly zoom in, show you very, very easy way to apply these and how they look on the eyes. Packaging is really nice. I'm going to put these on with the look I'm wearing today. I'm going to quickly put some mascara to the top first. I always do this before because it makes your lashes blend in with falsies much easier. And just put them as close to your lash line as possible. Look at those. You can also put on glue, or not glue, mascara afterwards. But keep in mind, they may last a little less longer if you do that. But if you do it beforehand, it's really no need. And as you can see, the glue dries clear, so you don't have to worry about that. But very easy to put on, very lightweight, and they're very natural. Aside from my eye makeup, the actual lashes are very natural. Next, there's this TheBeautyBeau Musk Coconut and Shea Butter, some nurturing hand cream. I don't know if y'all know, but I love my hand creams. Are you focused? Which way do we go? This way. That's what it looks like. Now, I don't know if you can also tell, but my hands are ashy. Look in between my fingers. It's disgusting. So because my hands are ashy, I'm gonna put some on camera. Now, it has coconut and shea butter, so it has a light, fragrant scent. It's not overpowering at all. It smells very relaxing. It says massage the hands and cuticles and allow to absorb. Use regularly for best results. For all skin types, dermatologically tested. Okay, let's see if this gets rid of my ashes. Going in between those fingers and cuticles. Didn't use much at all. Let's see. Ooh. Look at my hands now. So much better. So much smoother. You can see the texture. It's way smoother than before. And it smells great. It's a light. That's that. Okay, I also have this Grace and Stella foot mask. It comes in a package like this. So this is what the package looks like inside when you take it out. Basically, it's a booty that you put on your foot. And it's a mask. You cut along the top. You soak your feet in warm water for 10 minutes, then dry off. Put on the foot booties. Wear for 1 hour, and then you wash your feet with soap and water. Peeling will begin 5 to 7 days after application. Saves you money from going to the spa because your dead skin will peel off with these. Next, I have this body wash infused buffer from Spongeole. It has the accent more above the E, so I'm assuming I pronounced it correctly. This is what it looks like. Basically, it's just like the name says, it's infused with body wash. And it's a thicker sponge, but when you wet it, it gets soft. So it's not gonna stay hard like this. When you actually run it under water, it gets softer. You just use the same sponge to rub on your body. This is great for traveling because you don't have to pack a liquid wash that's gonna get all over your clothes. You can literally just pack this in a box. Of course, you would let it dry. You can use it over and over again. Forgot to mention that. Let it dry, put it back in your box, you're ready to go. Next, I have this original makeup eraser. You can erase all makeup with just water. It's antibacterial and reusable. Comes in a box like this. So, in case you haven't seen that, this is what that looks like. You can wash it and reuse it. I love how large it is, how long it is, so you can hold it in your hands and take off all your makeup. You can wash it. I do recommend washing it in mild soap. Don't wash it in anything that's scented. That's just my little tip for you so that you don't experience any breakouts. But if you wash it in a mild soap that's unscented, something like that, you'll be just fine. You can even wash it in the sink, you know, with your hands. I think that's most effective rather than throwing it in the washing machine. Just a little tip. And then the last thing I have is this Tarte C Hydrating Boost. Y'all know I love moisturizers. Look. So that's the box that comes in. This is the package. Oh yes. And it has a protective seal so that it doesn't spill into your lid. Oh, it smells so fresh, just like the sea. I will put some on the back of my hand so you can see what it looks like. This is the texture of it. It's very lightweight. As you can see, it's like a light cream. It's not white, it's clear. And it feels so good. It makes your skin feel so refreshed and hydrated. I put it on before my makeup, before primer, before all of that. And you can see, although I have on the hand cream, you can see what a sheen that hand has versus the other one. It really leaves your skin with a glow. I love it so much. That's it for my FabFitFun box unboxing. It's weird to put box and unboxing together, but yeah, that's it for that. I'll have a link below to where you can get your very own and get 10 bucks off your box. Please rate the video, subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss anything I post, including my future FabFitFun unboxing video. Talk to you guys soon. Thank you for watching.